In this video, I'll show you how to rename collection filter options such as availability and price. As an example, I'll change them to stock status and price range. So to make the adjustment, first we'll log into Shopify admin account, then click on settings, and then look for apps and sales channels. Now make sure install tab is selected, and then look for the search and discovery app. In case this app is not installed in your store, go to Shopify App Store, and then in search type, search and discovery. Look for this application, go ahead and install it. Once complete, go back to Shopify admin, and let's open the app. And then at the very top, look for this option, customize filters. And right in here, you can rename the filter labels. Let's start out with the first one. Let me change to stock status. Now let's save the changes. Now let's rename the second one. Let's change from price to price range. Once again, save the changes. Now let's go back to the website, open one of the collections and try refreshing it. And as you can see, the filter options were updated, and this change should be reflected on the all collection pages right over here. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.